Hi everyone, I'm Roslyn Diana, Assistant Professor, CSE Department, RMT Engineering College. Today we are going to see about interfaces in Java programming. What is an interface? An interface in Java is a blueprint of a class. So it will be similar to class. It can have static constants and abstract methods. And it can be declared by the keyword interface. Interface provides total abstraction to a particular program. A class that implements interface must implement all the methods declared in the interface. See, actually, there is another concept in Java. It is abstract class. In abstract class, both abstract and non-abstract methods can be possible, available. But in interface, all the methods should be only abstract methods. There won't be any definition for the method. Only the name of the method and the skeleton of the method will be available in the interface. Syntax for creating an interface in Java program: interface space interface name, and within parentheses curly braces, sorry, we have to declare constant fields and all the abstract methods. Interface fields are public, static and final by default, and methods are public and abstract. If we don't give public and abstract and other access modifiers and non-access modifiers, in interface Java will automatically by default will assign these specifiers only. So Java compiler adds these to the interface. This is the process of interface compilation. There is an interface named printable. It has one constant value minimum equal to 5 and a abstract method print off. So when compiler executes it, it will be writing it by default as the constant value as public static final and the method as public and abstract. The relationship between class and interface. A class extends another class. Here you can see the main class can be extended by a subclass. And if you take interface and class, a class can implement interface. In interface, we will have only abstract methods. Each class will implement this method in its own way. And if you take there is a main interface and sub interface. The sub interface can extend the main interface. Whatever methods and constants are available in the interface, it will be used by the sub interface. There is an example given here. The interface name is bank. It has data rate of interest. Then we have a class here, its name is SPI. It implements the bank interface, bank. And here we are having the constant keyword at override. It is optional. We can give or no need to give this overriding, because the main interface values will be implemented in different way by the sub interface, so or classes. So this is called overriding. In class, we are implementing that particular method. So here the method name is rate of interest. This method is returning 9.15. Interest rate of interest for SBI is 9.15. And another class is there, ICICI. It also implements the bank interface. It is implementing rate of interest as 9.7. So it returns 9.7. In the main class, for the bank interface, an object is created, B. Bank B is the object for the interface. And interface, for which particular class the object is created, SBI. So system.out.println of it prints the rate of interest ROI colon. If it is SBI, it will go to the SBI class and it will return the value of 9.15. Another example, there is the interface name is printable, class name is E6. Interface printable contains a method printoff. The class E6 implements this printable interface. It implements printoff method as hello. It prints hello. And in the main method, we are creating object for this class E6, and in using that object name obj, we call the method print. So it prints hello. Third example, interface, its name is drawable. This in this interface we have a method draw of. Then we have a class rectangle. It implements drawable interface. This draw method is implemented as it prints a drawings rectangle. So in the another class is there circle. It implements the draw method by printing the message drawing circle. Then in the main class and method, we have object for the circle class. So d is the object name. D dot draw of will call the method implemented in circle class. So it prints the value. We will get the value drawing circle. System dot out dot println of drawing circle. It prints drawing circle. Multiple inheritance in Java by using interface. The main benefit of interface in Java is we can do multiple inheritance. From the multiple parent class, we can get the features to the child class. If a class implements multiple interface or an interface extends multiple interface, it is known as multiple inheritance. Here is an example, interface printable. It has a abstract method print off. Then an interface is the showable. It has the abstract method show off. Then there is a class A7. It implements both printable and showable interfaces. Then it prints the method. It implements the method print off with printing a message hello. In the and in another method show off, it is printing the value welcome. So we create an object for the class A7. Object dot print off will print hello, and object dot show off will print welcome. A class implements interface, but one interface can extend another interface. That is possible. Base interface can be there, and a sub interface we can create. In this example, printable is the interface name, method name is printoff, and we have another interface showable. It extends the printable interface. And in this we have a method show off. So showable is the sub interface, printable is the main interface. So in this there is a class named test interface 4. It implements a showable interface. So it is implementing print method as hello, and it is implementing show method as welcome. So in the main method, we are creating object for test interface 4 class, and we are the object name is obj, and we are printing and we are showing the values. It is already available hello and welcome. Nested interface, an interface can contain another interface inside it. So here printable is the interface name, and inside printable we have a sub interface that is message printable. Like this nested interface is possible in Java. Advantages of interface. Without bothering about implementation part, we can achieve the security of implementation. So the methods will be only abstract. So whichever class or interface wants to implement it, it can implement that particular methods. In Java, multiple inheritance is not allowed, but using interface, indirectly we can create multiple inheritance. Achieve multiple inheritance. Difference between abstract class and interface. Abstract class can have an abstract and non-abstract methods, but interface can only have abstract methods. In Java 8 onwards, we have a facility. We can create default and static methods also. An abstract class doesn't support multiple inheritance. Interface supports multiple inheritance. Abstract class can have final, non-final, static, non-static variables. Interface can have only static and final variables. Abstract class can provide implementation of interface. Interface can't provide the implementation of abstract class. The abstract keyword is used to achieve abstract class. The interface keyword is used to declare interface. An abstract class can extend another class and implement multiple Java interfaces. An interface can extend another Java interface only. An abstract class can be extended using keyword extends. An interface class can be implemented using keyword implements. Static methods we can create in Java 8 onwards. So here we have a static method hello. It prints a hello new static method here. So in the class interface demo, it implements the new interface. We create an object for the interface demo, and using that we are calling the static method hello of. No object is created for new interface. Directly we are calling the static method hello. It will print the message inside it. A simple static method is defined and declared in an interface which is being called in the main of method of the implementation class interface demo. Unlike default method, static method hello of defined in the interface, new interface cannot be overridden in implementing the class. In the example we have seen previously, normal methods can be, ordinary methods can be implemented, but static method hello cannot be implemented. It is already implemented in the interface itself.